Light compact. 6.7 ounces, 189.9 grams, for easy carrying, and the folding design fits in your pack. Cooking power. Up to 10,000 total BTUs of cooking power. Consistent efficient. PerfectFlow offers consistent performance, even in extreme conditions, and PerfectHeat provides more efficient cooking with less fuel. Quick boil. Powerful burner boils 1 liter of water in 3.25 minutes. Adjustable burner. For precise temperature control, fits a 6-in pan. Top reviews from the United States. Works well under the right conditions. I recently put one of these to good use on a weekend camping trip, and I was pleased at the performance of the burner. It's not a super fancy, high-end cooking unit like a jet boil, but it gets the job done at a fraction of the cost. Also, it's always good to mention that any disclaimers about how quickly the unit can boil water should be regarded as under ideal conditions rather than as the standard boil time. I paired this with a couple of Coleman brand isobutane canisters, and saw it boiling roughly 20 ounces of water in maybe 12 to 15 minutes when the flame was not exposed to any wind. I'd say it's likely a good idea to also purchase some sort of windscreen if you want to see the burner perform at its best. I may also purchase an adapter so that I can run mine from a larger propane canister versus the isobutane. However, I have few complaints overall. The burner worked as expected, and kept my camping party fed for the weekend. I couldn't ask for much more than that.